RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan has said that foreign banks will soon be allowed a greater play in India. The final guidelines on the structure of foreign banks will be issued soon. Anirudh Ghosh with more details on what to expect.
Taking his promise of more reforms in the banking sector further, Raghuram Rajan has hinted at a greater role for foreign banks in India, something that could result in them being allowed to take over domestic banks.
Dr. Rajan has very clearly indicated that he's going to give a near domestic bank treatment to such organizations. And that's the reason why the acquisition route becomes more interesting. You can come out of your 20 branch, 30 branch kind of a presence, straight away acquire a smaller branch, so smaller bank with about 200-300 branches, and you're really rolling into becoming, a larger bank and start playing with the domestic bankers.
There's no denying that foreign players led innovation in the banking sector since the 80s. But global giants like Citi, HSBC and Standard Chartered have had their hands tied in India as the often conservative RBI regulations curb their presence in terms of both branches as well as operations.
The frustrations of foreign bank were, of course, that you never had a level playing field. Who taught us retail financing? Foreign banks. They brought in car loans. They brought in home loans, they brought in credit cards and that sort of thing, So they have a definitive role to play, and perhaps the time has come for them to play a larger role.
The jury may still be out on the final structure the central bank will fly with as far as the presence of foreign banks is concerned. But one thing is for sure, Raghuram Rajan may turn out to be more sympathetic to the demands of foreign banks than his predecessor D. Subbarao, at least on the face of it. With Anirudh Ghosh, Simran Gill, ET Now, Mumbai.